Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the division bench of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh dated 28/9/2021 in LPA number 902 of 2021, by which the High Court had dismissed the said appeal, the appellant herein, the original writ petitioner, has preferred the present appeal. The brief facts of this case is that the appellant was appointed as a JBT teacher by the Education Department, Haryana in the year 2000, and since then he is working as a JBT teacher at Government Primary School, Chhapar, Haryana. That the Haryana Public Service Commission advertised 1647 posts of assistant professor college cadre in the state of Haryana on 16/2/2016. Last date to submit the form online was 15/3/2016, which was extended up to 10/5/2016. The appellant herein applied timely for the post of assistant professor history. As per the advertisement dated 16/2/2016, the candidate was required to submit a no objection certificate from its appointing authority in case he is serving in a government, semi-government organization under any state government or government of India, at the time of interview. To comply with the same, the appellant applied for issuance of NOC on 22/3/2016 through the principal, Government Senior Secondary School, Jhaswa, District Jhajjar, to the District Elementary Education Officer, Jhajjar, the competent authority to issue the NOC. That the said application was received by the Office of District Elementary Education Officer, Jhajjar, on 4/4/2016. The appellant appeared for the written examination for the aforesaid post on 5/3/2017. The result of the written examination was also declared on 6/11/2017, and the appellant cleared the written examination. That after clearing the written examination, the appellant was to submit the NOC at the time of interview. The appellant sent a reminder to the Director, Elementary Education, for issuance of the NOC YD his later dated 9/11/2017, which was received on 9/11/2017, but no action was taken by the concerned branch on his reminder. Therefore, the appellant filed a civil writ petition number 27864 of 2017 before the High Court for an appropriate order directing the appropriate authority to issue NOC. It was the specific case on behalf of the appellant that though he had made an application for NOC as far as back in the month of March 2016, the NOC has not been issued. It was also submitted that despite the fact that he has passed the written examination and interviews are to be held on 13/12/2017, the Department of Elementary Education is not issuing him NOC. By order dated 7/12/2017, the High Court issued the notice in the aforesaid written writ petition and passed the interim order that the petitioner, if he falls within the zone of consideration for being called for an interview for the post in question, shall be provisionally interviewed regardless of the fact that an NOC has not been issued so far by the Department of Elementary Education. It appears that Pursuant to the interim order dated 7/12/2017, the appellant was interviewed provisionally and his result was kept in a sealed cover stop. However, the Public Service Commission did not appoint him in absence of any NOC issued by the Department of Elementary Education stop. Result of the final selection in respect of the interviews got conducted was declared on 15/12/2017 and the appointments were made on 12/7/2018 stop. In between, a writ petition number 27864 of 2017 came up before the High Court on 30/4/2018 stop. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the Public Service Commission produced the result of the appellant in a sealed cover, which was opened, and it was revealed that the last candidate in the category of the appellant, that is BCA, has obtained 62.64 marks, whereas the writ petitioner had scored 64.89 marks, Therefore, the High Court observed that the appellant original petitioner is qualified for selection, subject to, however, the dispute involved in the list stop. However, the High Court adjourned the matter on to 21/5/2018 and thereafter adjourned to 4/10/2018 stop. In the meantime, the competent authority issued NOC in favor of the petitioner appellant hearing on 6/6/2018 stop. The appellant also submitted the NOC with the Haryana Public Service Commission on 8/6/2018 and requested to consider his case for appointment stop. The petitioner also filed one CM number 9680 of 2018 in civil writ petition number 27864 of 2017 on 10/7/2018, mentioning that now the NOC has been received on 6/6/2018 and has also been submitted with the Public Service Commission on 8/6/2018. Therefore, it was requested for early hearing of the writ petition stop. It appears that thereafter, despite the fact that before the actual appointments were made by the Public Service Commission on 12/7/2018, NOC was submitted on 8/6/2018, but the appellant was not appointed, therefore, immediately on the very next date, that is 16/7/2018, the appellant herein filed a fresh writ petition number 17255 of 2018 for a direction to the Public Service Commission to appoint him on the post of Assistant Professor History, contending inter alia that he has already now produced the NOC and that on merits, he is entitled to appointment as the person last selected is having lesser marks than him as observed in the earlier order dated 30/4/2018 stop. However, despite the aforesaid facts and circumstances, by judgment and order dated 6/11/2019, the High Court dismissed both the writ petitions, that is CWP number 27864 of 2017 and civil writ petition number 17255 of 2018 by observing that if the petitioner had applied for NOC in the year 2016, he had ample time from the date of advertisement and date of submission of the online form to pursue his claim for issuance of NOC with his employer, but choose to invoke the jurisdiction of the court only after the declaration of the result of the written test on 9/11/2017 and thereafter also waited till 5/12/2017, on which date he filed a writ petition for issuance of directions to the employer to release the NOC, and in the meantime, the appointments were already made and therefore, the petitioner is not entitled to any relief.